Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel the Hierophant 1111. So today we are going to be doing a reading on the current energies of your person. So guys, take your time, think about your person, okay, and pause the video if you wish to. Come back and pick a pile. You can choose more than one today if you all want to. And guys, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel the Hierophant 1111, and also do not forget to click the bell icon so that you do not miss any video in the future. Okay guys, so there are 4 piles over here. The first pile is the gold star, okay, the second pile is the green star, the third pile is the red star, and the fourth pile is the silver star. So you all take your time guys, pause the video, choose your pile, and I'll be starting with gold for now, and y'all can take your time and choose any pile that calls to you the most. Okay, so here's the gold one. I'll keep the gold star here so that y'all can see it, and let's see the current energies of your person. Okay, so I see the thinking man. Okay, your person is thinking a lot about you walking away if you have chosen the gold pile. Okay, they are seeing you walking away, they are seeing you choosing yourself, so they are much in indecision, like they don't know what to do, they don't know whether to come to you, approach you, to speak to you or not. Okay, this person is quite money minded, I feel, and this person is a career oriented person. He's married to his job, okay, and he feels quite tied up in the current situation, and also there are some legal formalities that this person is going through, or a legal separation. There is some problem with your person which is causing him indecision. On top of that, he's thinking about you walking away from him. Okay, so the current energies don't like, maybe he has a, if he does his own business or something. I also see they are legal, he's facing legal troubles over there. So this person is quite an indecision because nothing is working up for him, and even if he wishes to approach you or she wishes to approach you, they cannot do that. Okay, right now I'm going to take out a few more cards from the romance angels for you. Let's see what the romance angels have to say about your current situation and about your person, what the romance angel wishes to tell you if you have chosen the gold pile. Okay, let's see what the romance angels have for you if you all have chosen the gold pile. Okay, worth waiting for you. For you, this card has come out that it is worth waiting for you. Divine timing is at work in your love life. Okay, so you need to wait for things to settle down. Maybe this person is not approaching you, even if you have separated, and even if you, because they are stuck somewhere in a legal problem, or there are certain money issues going on, that is why the person is not able to approach you. Let's see what else guidance the romance angels wishes to give you today. Okay, passion. This person is passionate about you. Yes, this person does feel passionate for you. Free yourself. Okay, you take control of your life. Okay, and maybe your love life is being affected by your own inner child wounds or their inner child wounds. So if your person is married, then there are children issues. If they are not married, okay, there is something such as inner child wounds which have kept you away from your person. Okay, so for now, free yourself, wait for them, do not stay in a toxic situation. Okay, and keep an open mind. Okay guys, if they have hurt you a lot, what I can see over here, you have so you learn to forgive and forget them, and learn from your lessons. Okay, whatever you have been taught. And also guys, they do feel the magnetic attraction for you. That is why this connection is worth waiting for. They have passion for you, so let them take their time guys. And again, I see a lot of children over here, so maybe the family issues, the inner child wounds, this will make, because your person I see over here is a quite practical person, they are getting clarity about your connection, so it's worth waiting for. Okay guys, so if you all have chose the golden pile, this is golden star, this is what I have for you today. Let's move on to the next pile, that is the green star, and let's see what the green star holds for you. Okay, so if you all have chosen the green star, I'm going to be keeping it here, and let's see what comes for you in the cards. Okay, second chakra, Archangel Ariel. I see maybe the sacral chakra is blocked of this person and work is being done on this. Okay, that's why they are maintaining hostilities from you. They are staying afar because I see, like, you know, they are feeling attacked or something like that. They want to be alone, you know, because they are very guarded right now. Okay, and I see action and I see communication. So I see this person coming and communicating to you what has happened with them. Okay, so the current energies is that they wish to communicate. They have been in long for isolation, and I see the heart chakra healing. Okay, and I see door to spirit and financial constraints. So yes, this person has lots of financial troubles. Okay, but they are being spiritual right now. They are working on their inner self, their higher they are doing their inner work that is needed for this connection. They are working on their communication skills. Okay, because they do want to speak, they want to get out of this hostilities. Okay, and they want to express what they have been hiding from you. Let's see what romance angels have for you. Pile green, if you all have chosen this green pile, let's see what romance angels have to say to you about this connection. Romantic feelings, yes, this person wants to communicate their romantic feelings to you. Let's see what more. Okay, very soon. Okay, so we have the very soon. You're receiving communication, guys. You are going to get this. Okay, heart to heart conversations you are going to get, because this person's heart chakra is being opened on. They are being worked on the sacral chakra. So on communication, there's lots of inner work going on with this person. Codependency, yes, there have been toxic karmic situations with your person. So yes, they have been addicted to their past and in their comfort zone. So that is also affecting your relationship. Deception. Okay, so the reason why they are so defensive and they are not talking to you, or they are not talking to anybody, and they are in their guarded mode, and just see them, guys, just see your person's current situation, right? So this is what they are. They are feeling that everybody is against them, and they have taken their sword, and they want to, they will chop off anybody's head if they feel that they cannot trust that person right now. So it's not the right time to speak to them. But guys, soon they will be in a situation where they'll come and communicate with you. So let them take their time, give them their space, and you will see them soon if you all have chosen the green pile. Okay, let's move on, guys, and let's see though for those who chose the red star. Okay, so if you have chosen the red star, let's see what your person's current energies are right now. Okay, angel of love, happy family, door to personal healing and happiness, adjacent possibilities, door to romance. Okay, anxiety, heartbroken, the world. Okay, what I get to know from your reading is that you see your person being the angel of love and taking care for their family, and being happy with them, and they are very pleased, and they are caring for their own family. They are happy there, and what you are just an adjacent possibility. This is what you are feeling right now. Okay, and what this person is current energy is the same. This is what they are projecting to you. Okay, and this person is right now Your person's current energies is their heart is opening for everybody. Actually, it's open for the family, it's open for their relatives, it's open, they are enjoying right now, and they are putting their photos on social media, and that is triggering you and putting you into anxiety. Okay guys, but right, what I see over here is they are stressed out. Okay, they have a broken heart and they want to walk away. Okay, so there is a there are two things being shown over here. Now this, you must be confused that what is happening. Like this is the thing that they are being with their real relatives and family, and they are taking care of people. They are but that is not being reciprocated to them, so they are in anxiety and they are feeling heartbroken, and they are feeling like they'll have to look for an adjacent possibility, because they are in energy right now of giving, and nothing is being reciprocated to them. So the love and the happiness and everything that they are showing, and they are trying to project on others, is not being returned to them. So this is a big issue over here. Let's see what the romance angels have to tell you about these people. Okay, if you all have chosen the right pile, what the romance angels wants to tell you about this connection. Okay, so I see religious factors. Okay, so you and this person has maybe a different religion. Okay, and you all are different in many aspects, I should say, and that is the reason why this person is not choosing you. I could also see that maybe this person is trying to go with their family to keep their family people happy. Okay, if this is for some I get a another group of people where I can say that they are choosing their family above you, and if their family have they have spoken to the family about you and the family has said no for you, it's because of the religious factors and many other things. These people are walking away from you even though they are heartbroken, and they are looking for adjacent possibilities. Okay, but their heart is not there where their family says. So this is another thing. I see it is safe for you to love, so they know you are there for them and you are available. Okay, and it is safe for them to love you, but the family is not allowing them to choose, and they are showing them adjacent possibilities. So they are trying to let go of control issues, and trying to do what they are guided to right now. Okay, so they are being shown adjacent possibilities, and that is keeping you sad, and they are showing love towards their family. That's what I'm seeing over here for you guys. So what romance angels is guiding you is to let go of control issues, let the situation unfold naturally. Okay, and give your relationship a chance. So that's what they want to do. They want to give your relationship a chance, but right now the situations are as such that they cannot go on. I see unrequited love over here. So I don't think that they have this enough love to choose you over their family, but they want to give you a chance. So this is what I have for red. I also see red flags over here with the red star. Okay, so you all don't need to worry, the situation will improve, guys. I don't want to demotivate you, but I can see that your person looking for adjacent possibilities is giving you a lot of stress and anxiety. Take your time, let go of this control issues. Okay guys, relax and let the things unfold naturally for you. Okay, let's move on guys to the last pile, that is the silver pile. If you all have chosen this beautiful silver star, okay, your reading is here. The thinking woman, due to value, journey, attachment, cornucopia, rest and rejuvenation, and appreciation. Okay, so what I see over here, your person right now, okay, is in a toxic situation. Okay, they have an attachment which is quite toxic, okay, which affects their self worth somewhere or the other. They are with a person, you know, who is in only for do-to value, who just sees them as a do-to value because they earn more, they could be rich, okay, and they could afford everything. But there's a transformation going on in this person's life. I see the butterfly over here, and I see a lot of meditation, rest and rejuvenation, and this person choosing themselves. Oh, and I also see them moving on because we have a journey card. So if your person has you know, if you have chosen the silver star, your person has already taken a step away from this person for whom, you know, they were with, maybe their family, maybe anyone with whom they had this toxic karmic cords. Like they are moving on, okay, they are not holding on to the situation. So if you all have chosen the silver star, congratulations. Let's see what the okay, what the romance angels have to tell you about this connection right now. Okay, let's see what the romance angels have to tell you. I see finances and career. So this person could be right now focusing a lot on their finances and career. So I don't think you must be hearing much from them. They must be occupying themselves in work. But yes, guys, there is true love over here in this connection. So you don't need to worry about it. There is reconciliation coming for you. As I said, that this person is not talking to you right now, or talking less, you know, it's not a regular communication. So you can expect communication coming forward, okay, in the coming time. And again, I see separation. So the separation is from those toxic people, toxic karmic people. So and calling in your soulmate. So yes, they do think about you, they do you know, call you, they do miss you, okay, and they do want to come back to you and speak to you. And also, guys, I would like to show you what is on the bottom of the deck, that is the wedding card. So yes, guys, there is a good news coming for you. There's true love, there's reconciliation, and all that you wished for. So guys, I hope you all are happy listening to this reading, and if it resonates with you, do write it in the comment section. Do let me know, guys, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, the Hierophant Level 11. See you guys tomorrow with another reading. Bye.